Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your control settings in WWE 2K26. No matter if you're playing the game on console or PC, you still be able to change your controls. Firstly, you need to go to the options tab, then select extras and go to input settings. Now if you're playing the game on console, in that case you may or may not be able to see this window. This is the window where you'll able to change your keys. So if you're playing the game on console and if you don't see this, don't worry, I got you covered. But firstly, if you're playing the game on PC, then in that case you will just simply able to change your keys right from this window. Let's say I want to change the key for reversal. I need to just select that and need to press the key which I want to change to. Let's say I want to choose P key for reversal, and yeah, there you go, the key is now changed. And just like that, you'll able to change any key you like. Before you exit from this, make sure to save your changes. Now if you are on console, then in that case you won't be able to change your controls because the option is grayed out or simply not available. So in that case, firstly go to controls and see which key you want to change. Like in my case, I have PS5, and let me show you how you can do that. Doesn't matter, even if you have Xbox, you can do the same. So very first thing we need to do, just go to the gear icon at the top, and just right here we need to select the option accessibility. Here choose controllers, and this one we need to choose custom buttons assignments for DualSense wireless controller, and just enable custom button assignments. And right here, as you can see, there is option for customize button assignments, and if we select that, we'll able to see the layout of our controller. And here you can just choose the key which you want to change. Let's say this triangle key we usually use for dodging or reversal, and I want to change that to square. So I just need to select that key and change to square. Now if I press triangle in the game, it's gonna give the heavy attack to the opponent. And keep in mind that this gonna apply to your whole system. It means that whenever you play any game, it's just gonna do the same. Like whenever you press square, it's gonna perform as triangle. Whenever you press triangle, it's gonna perform as square. Now to apply the changes, just hit apply, and that way the customized button assignments will be turned on. Now whenever you are done with WWE 2K26, you can just disable that, and your controller will get back to normal. And similarly, if you want to play it again, just simply turn this on, and that way your new keys will be assigned to the PS5. So yeah guys, that's all there is to it. This is exactly how you will able to change your control settings in WWE 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.